the day drifts on by, I find myself staring off into the sky with memories of you swirling all through my head. Between being here and being you, I'm better off dead. Let it never be said that I never tried. I may have lied in disguise, never said I wouldn't slide. But the truth be told, there's a hole where my fam was. I shut myself down.
What's good, everyone? It's your boy, Token Drew, and we here with another edition of Pack N Unpack, series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cool shit.
Damn, see, it'd be great if I ain't feel shit, but that's just the wish, and only it.
First things first, children, back up out of here. This is an adults only channel, so part of the FTC and YouTube regulations, they want me to let you know this channel ain't kid friendly. Back the hell up out of here. Real talk. All right, so today we have ourselves the hell?
What you know so I can tell you you're wrong. Trust me, I'm the master, the lord of all time.
What the hell was that? Okay, so I guess that's the unboxing we're doing today. Shit, all right, let's get it. How did this? So, today's unboxing, if you couldn't tell from all the cryptic inserts, we are talking about the Weeping Angels, baby. Yeah. But since this is Resin, this is an episode of Blunts and Boxes, which only means one thing, baby. Time to get the blizzle. So the Weeping Angels, if you ain't a Doctor Who fan, let me tell you a little bit of something about beings that can move faster than the eye can see. However, they are quantum locked, which means if you look at them, they're frozen in place. But the minute you blink, bam, they're on you. And I got one, baby. This bitch was hella rare, and I got it. So without further ado, from Big Chief Studio, we have the Weeping Angels. Let's get inside my head and see what this bad boy is all about.
We do not require your leader, your leader should bow to me. Call me supreme lord, obey your every command. Pray to your God, cry for help, no matter what your world is scared. We descended from Khaled and Davros, Lord and Creator. We aim to purify the whole of time, call us your savior. I am a walking tank, rolling death, exterminate. That's the sound that you shall hear from the mighty dollar grace. Time and space, we stand staring at you, right in your face. We know you represent your enemies and friends, and we're all that you have. Doctor and the end, across the universe, through time and space, we stand staring at you, right in your face. We know you represent your enemies and friends, and we're all that you have. Doctor and the end, I bring an end to everything which drives you apart. Remove your soul, replace with a cold steel heart. I remove our war, hate and greed. I remove your color, sex, class, and creed. I am a Cyberman, I come to upgrade. Your resistance is illogical, begin our steel reign. We will be the same, no more fighting ourselves. We'll bring creation to its knees with the help of the Gelt. Move through the shadows, cold death is what we bring. Only one an extra gift, for God's sake. Don't blink, move faster than your eyes can see. Transport you back to time so you can live your life. I die, I take your voice, make it mine after I break your neck. Rob your cerebral cortex, even though it's evil weeping, where the true angels of death. Other things are weaknesses, but we got none, so you should run. Don't blink, I'm a weeping angel when here I come. Time and space, we stand
What's good, everyone? We are back, and here she is. From Big Chief Studio, we have a 1/6 scale Weeping Angel. But before we get into it, first things first, make sure that all of you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Shout out to the Facebook group that I'm a moderator of, the Resins of Otaku group. Find us on there. Follow me on my various social media pages. Bam, bam, boom, bam. So you know how I got my 5 categories.
I can't be stopped. I'm the champion of death. Through the untipped schism, I'm the only one that's left. Most were inspired and some ran away. Me, I went insane to make creation rue today. That it stood in my way.
First things first. Detail. This piece has some amazing detail. And you got a lot out of the box too. 2 heads, 3 different sets of arms. Hell yeah, man. It looks exactly how they do on the show. From the intricate little designs like it's made out of stone to the veiny cracks and everything, just hell yeah. 20 points. Next up is bass. So for bass, I think the bass is really good for this character. It's a nice size, has an interesting shape to it, thin, is very space efficient, and is unique to my collection. Nothing else looks like it's in a graveyard. You can tell because of the grass and the dirt has a very graveyard feel to it. So I can dig that. I can dig that. So we're going to go ahead and give her 20 points for bass. Next up is pose. So for pose, I really like her poses. They're all the poses that they make from the TV show. From the traditional hands over the eyes pose, to the reaching out to you pose, to the forming some kind of a weird grab, and then you can start to interlock and change some of the different arms, you know what I'm saying? Like, however you want her pose to be, it's exactly like the Weeping Angel. If you're a fan of the show, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's just like how it is. You know what I mean? Just like how it is. 20 points. Next up is paint. So for paint, there are no paint imperfections that I can see at all. You know, Big Chief Studios really took their time with this character. There are no flaws. Everything is in place like it should be. And it looks like it's actual stone. It was actually surprising when I picked it up to feel that it was still PVC because the paint looks deceptively like stone. I really appreciate that. So we're gonna go ahead and give her 20 points.
Tell me what you know so I can tell you you're wrong. Trust me, I'm the master, the lord of all time. I'ma outlive you all the sounds of drums in my mind. Damn, I'm a beast, man, I brought down kings. Rule the rulers of creation, seen the end of all things.
And finally, for character accuracy.
Had a call, wish me, pray for my return for years. I can't be stopped. I'm the champion of death. Through the untipped schism, I'm the only one that's left. Most were inspired and some ran away. Me, I went insane to make creation rue today. That it stood in my way. I'm the master, obey me. As the top of they destroy paradise.
So for character accuracy, spot on, man. Spot on. You know, there's a little gap where she's putting her hands like that. But I can see why, because when you look at it straight on, that's how it would realistically be to cover your eyes, what the character has to do. So it looks spot on like her, yo. Spot on. 20 points. Wow. Let's check out this bonus round. And you see the numbers, yo. This is an amazing piece. Absolutely amazing. Stunning. You know, this is everything that I wanted it to be. When I first took it out the box, I was scared, I'm not gonna lie, because I've been let down before. You know, when I'm really looking forward to a statue and I finally get it out the box and like there's something wrong with it, you know? And similar to when I took my Krillin out the box, you know, I'm amazed. So, plus 5 points. I'm also gonna give it the bonus plus 5 for having an art box. And then finally, my first impression, you know, I was so impressed. You know, the way that the packaging ended up in the box, you know, I couldn't find like the heads were on the top part of the styrofoam. So I saw the body and I saw no heads, like my heart sank. I was like, no, please don't tell me that this has everything but the heads. And I've had this statue upstairs for months now, waiting for this day. This day being, you know, on June 10th or June 9th. I can't remember, whichever day this falls on, the opposite day. That's when the episode Blink first aired with the Weeping Angels. So I waited long to release this on this day because of that episode. And I was worried that when I opened this box, if something was wrong, you know, it's way past the window to return it. I would have to eat this cost on the chin and the disappointment would be massive. And it came out great. Another 5 points. Bringing this resin total up to 115 points. A perfect score, which gives it a golden A+. Definite contender for figure of the year. And for sure, this is one of my grails. Finally got a Weeping Angel, man. Fucking awesome. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures and get up out of here. I'm your boy Token Drew. Don't blink.
Pray for my return for years. I can't be stopped. I'm the champion of death. Through the untipped schism, I'm the only one that's left. Most were inspired and some ran away. Me, I went insane to make creation rue today. That it stood in my way. I'm the master, obey me. As the top of they destroy paradise, don't faze me. Resin fell and I brought him down. I'm the war king doctor. Now give me my crown. Through the time and space, we stay staring at you right in your face. We know you're opposites, you're enemies and friends, and we're all that you have. Doctor, in the end, across the universe. Through time and space, we stay staring at you right in your face. We know you're opposites, you're enemies and friends, and we're all that you have. Doctor, in the end. Most feared in the galaxy, evil genius mastermind, a master race shall prevail and bring forth the end of time. One word describe the goal, take over the world and cities fall. Only we will stand tall and will exterminate all bad information. Like I'm detected, you cannot run and you cannot hide and slave the men. Women descendants, those who oppose will line up and die, exterminate, annihilate, obliterate, show no mercy, scream, cry, make it for your lives.
All right, everybody, we are back. And here's where she is. Probably the most prestigious area of my whole collection. Only top scorers, customs are allowed in here. So, hell yeah. I'm glad to finally have this in my collection. And, you know, this figure means a lot to me too, because the Weeping Angels is what got my fiance and I heavily into Doctor Who. The episode Blink, in fact, we watched that, and right at the end of the episode, I went and bought all the DVDs that I could. We were fans ever since. So out of all the pieces I have, all the random Dragon Ball and Godzilla and everybody else I have, this is one of the few that actually means something to me. Was that biased in my scoring? Yeah, but who cares? You know what I mean? It was $300, damn near $300, and I really, really like it. I'd highly suggest it, but there's only 1,000 of these bastards made, so good luck trying to find one. Next time on Pack N Unpack, we're going back into madness. Have you ever danced with the devil in the pale moonlight? Because that's who's unboxed next. We're going back to Joker. But until then, I'm your boy, Token Drew. Live up, smoke out, and game on. I'm out this bitch. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Real talk, I ain't from the block, but I got street smarts, I've seen some things. You ever seen a nigga get murdered? Have you ever seen a motherfucker hang? All these little niggas talking about gang bang, but the times have changed, I know you know this. Cops killing us, we gotta stay focused. Government does what it wants, fuck the voters. But that's the big picture. Let's get down to street level. Try to put a wall over everyone's eyes, I be blind, still go daredevil. All these niggas think they so special. Everybody claim they a trap boss. Every chick think they the baddest bitch. Yes, my real last here to piss you off. Everybody in the hood is slanging pounds. Who the hell is buying? Where the fuck the business? Honey, you may think you the baddest broad, but you just a story. Yo, nigga, I hear that dope when you make out the fire ganj. In the end, it's all just weed. Shorty, you may get the bomb in his head, but you ain't the first one to give it to me.